Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now, put on gloves and eye protection, open a window, and move the plastic to a flat surface. Combine a small plastic-safe solvent with a microfiber cloth and test an inconspicuous area for 10 to 20 seconds. Make sure the plastic does not soften. Once done, use a plastic scraper at a low angle to lift loose chrome flakes. You want to remove material without gouging. This early step prevents deeper adhesion and sets you up for the core removal process. Now you concentrate. Apply solvent sparingly and let it dwell for 30 to 60 seconds so the chrome adhesive weakens. Blot rather than soak to protect the plastic. Use a soft nylon brush to agitate edges, then a plastic scraper in short, controlled passes to lift the coating. If flakes remain, repeat the solvent cycle and allow the surface to dry between attempts so you can see real progress. Make sure to alternate techniques, chemical loosening and gentle mechanical action, until most chrome is removed. Finish by cleaning the area with isopropyl alcohol, drying thoroughly, and polishing with a microfiber cloth. This removes residue and reveals the true surface. If the plastic is dull, you can use a light plastic polish or, for tough marks, wet sand with 1,500 to 2,000 grit and then polish to restore clarity. If chrome patches persist despite repeated gentle removal, consider professional recoating or controlled light abrasion. Make sure to avoid aggressive heat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.